right here, try and get you focused in a little better. You can see on the number 4-cylinder, we're up to 464 counts on the misfire. Everything else is at zeros. Give it the gas sitting here, doesn't do anything. It'll stay right there about 464. It might go up 1 or 2. But the biggest thing is under a load. When this car's under a load, that's when that starts to misfire. And it is, he was right on the money. It was right at 50 miles an hour, between 47 and 50. On something like this, I think the best way to do it is if I can get to that number 4-cylinder coil pack easily enough, I'm gonna swap it out with the one beside it, and what we're going to do is we're going to see if the misfire moves over to the next cylinder. If it don't move over, then we know there's an issue with either the spark plug or something internal. It's running too good, to be honest with you. Like when I cranked it over, I didn't hear anything like a compression problem or out of timing. I'm fairly confident this is just going to be a coil pack or a spark plug.